Hey, Bobby Boucher, you working? All right. He's working in the dark. Eric, all of us. You ready to get off in there? I'm gonna hand her off to you. Let me help you, old man. Push in the hole. What happened was...
Double up. Double up, bubble up.
Okay. You got some. Come on down. Huh?
Come on down.
What's that?
Come on down.
No, come on down.
Come on down. Hold it right there. Hold it right there.
Yeah. That means it's in.
Good job, Eric.
Good job. Customer wanted a big motor, so we had to have big headers. They fit! No. What do you mean they no? Okay. So we gotta go longer than that? Probably longer than that, Eric. Don't you think? Gotta come in longer.
Oh shit. Two fabricators under.
Why didn't we just get shorties?
Well,
I need a wrench.
it's 555 cubic inches of mass destruction here. It needs big headers.
I need a.
You know, Kenny, not always bigger is better.
Hey, even big women need loving. We got it, baby, right here.
We're doing a little clearancing for the headers. Mr. Bumbera, bigger is better.
Farrell, get that thing out of my face.
What do you need, Farrell?
Play the tuba, bro. Boop, 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 boop. All right, let me get it. There you go. He's out. Neither one did away.
Was that some kind of Louisiana talk?
Yeah, man. Don't you fart. All right, come on, Farrell, you little short turd. You wearing pink underwear? Man. Farrell, I didn't know you were that big of a man. Wearing pink underwear. Come here, Farrell. I'm gonna ride on there. I love you. Let's run some zoomies out the side.
I got the hood.
Curb burners, baby.